This video includes an overview of how to diagnose low flow and perform a regulator reset on a Napoleon grill. Low flow is when a regulator restricts the amount of gas coming from the propane tank to the grill, which happens when the regulator has reacted to an unusually fast rush of gas running through it. This usually happens when swapping propane tanks and the valve gets opened too quickly. During low flow, you can light one burner and it will appear as normal with a 1.5-inch flame that's mostly blue with a yellow flicker. Lighting a second burner will drop the flame height on both burners and yield a bluer flame. Once lighting a third or fourth burner, however, all flames will drop in size and the flames may barely be seen or will blow out. When experiencing low flow, it's important to never hit or tap on the regulator to try and resolve the issue, as this could damage the internal components. To perform a regulator reset, ensure all the burners are off, then turn off the valve on the propane tank. Remove the tank from the grill and disconnect the regulator. Now leave the regulator disconnected for 5 minutes before reconnecting it to the propane tank. When opening the propane tank, ensure to turn it 1/4 turn at a time with 1-second intervals between each quarter turn until the tank valve is fully open. Using a basting brush, apply a dish soap and water mixture at the propane tank connection to ensure there are no bubbles forming, indicating a leak. The grill should now operate as desired and get to temperature with ease.